Hello everyone, in this video I am to show how to add two integer number in Python from Ubuntu Linux. So easy two way to compile and run Python program in Ubuntu Linux. So first create a .py file and open your .py file and write your Python program, and after compile and run your program. And second, open your terminal and type python 3 and type here your Python program and run, and then click enter and run your program. So I am using first way to compile and run Python program. So open your terminal and create .py file. So I am creating .py file in desktop directory. So change my directory and type simple command touch and file name add, because I am using two integer number. So I am creating add.py file, add.py and then click enter. So here we can see guys, add.py file is created. So now type here your Python program. So first variable num1 and equal to type int, because I am adding two integer number in Python. So using int and input and print a message, enter the first number. Enter the first number. Double bracket and second variable num2 and int, type input and enter the and type message, enter the second number. Enter the second number and then click enter. So we can do that by using adding operator. So num1 plus num2, and we want to store output of this adding in another variable. So I called it as num. So num equal to num1 plus num2, num1 plus num2. And last print num1 plus num2 num1 plus num2 equal to double inverted comma equal to and comma num. Here declare num and then close the bracket. So now we can check num1 plus num2 and num. So adding two integer number, program is completed. So now save the program and open your terminal and first change directory and run your program. So type python 3 and file name add.py and then click enter. So we can see here, enter the first number. So first number 5 and then click enter the second number. So second number 4 and then click enter. So we can see guys here 5 plus 4 equal to 9. So your program is successfully run and 5 plus 4 equal to 9. So thanks for watching and please like. Darling, I've been tempted by the darkness, telling me that I should throw